It's that time of year again. It's the Coffee Cocktail Challenge of 2022, hosted by the team at Mr. Black Spirits. And this year they've simplified things. There's 4 judging elements. One of them is simplicity. So there's no overcomplicating drinks this year. It's just focusing on quality ingredients, things that you can replicate at home and making delicious, simple drinks. Now, entries to the competition open on the 28th of September. You simply need to take a video or a photo of your cocktail and share it on Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram and use the hashtag Coffee Cocktail Challenge. Now I'm going to show you an original creation of mine inspired by the Irish coffee and the espresso martini, 2 of the most popular coffee cocktails. So a dark, rich cocktail with a crema on top. Starting with 45 ml of Irish whiskey, 1.5 ounces, 30 ml of Mr. Black cold brew coffee liqueur, 1 ounce, 15 ml of Averna, half an ounce, 2 dashes of Regans orange bitters. Then I'm going to stir it down for about 20-25 seconds. And then it's strained into a chilled cocktail glass. And the final step is to layer the cream on top. Make sure you get your entry in before the 11th of October and use the hashtag Coffee Cocktail Challenge. Cheers.